barium. We have barium, Ba. We have zinc, Zn. We have zinc, Zn. We have copper, Cu. We have iron 2, which is Fe. What else do we have here? Barium is inside, calcium is there. So those are the metals in valence 2. Valence 3, we have aluminium. We have aluminium, Al. We have aluminium, Al. And we have iron 3, Fe. These are the metals in valency. Let's go to non-metals. Non-metals. We have valency 1, valency 2, valency 3. Valency 1, valency 2, valency 3. Valency 1, we have valency 2, we have valency. In valency 1, we have hydrogen that loses 1 electron. Hydrogen. It loses 1 electron. H. We have chlorine. F. It gains 1 electron. We have bromine. Br gains 1 electron. We have iodine. I gains 1 electron. We have fluorine. F, it gains 1 electron. Valency 2, we have sulfur. It gains 2 electrons, so S, and we have oxygen. O. Now, I'm writing the symbols of the elements alongside with the name. And finally, in valence 3, we have usually nitrogen. Though nitrogen occurs in nitrogen 1, we have nitrogen 2, and nitrogen valence 3. So nitrogen by N, nitrogen is symbol is N, and we have phosphorus, P, phosphorus P. Very good. Finally, the most important thing now we are going to. Finally, the most important thing we are going to look at. We're going to look at radicals. Radicals, the most important thing that will help you to know how to write the chemical formula of a compound. What are radicals? Are a group of atoms that react as a unit with a net charge. These are very important in writing the chemical formula of a compound. Very important. So we're going to start with valence 1, valence 2, valence 3. Valence 1, valence 2, valence 3. So valence 1, we have number 1, we have hydroxide. OH negative. That is hydroxide. OH negative. These are group of atoms containing oxygen and hydrogen, but they react as a unit with a net charge. Number 2, we have nitrate. NO3 negative. Negative is just valence 1. It doesn't mean that this is valence 1. It's a compressed stress. So nitrate means is valence 1. NO3. What you are supposed to know here, know that its formula is NO3 valence 1 up here. OH valence 1. Let's go to another one. We have Nitrites, nitrites, NO2, negative, NO2, valence level. We have hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, HCO3 negative, or HCO3 valence 1. Another thing that we should know here, we have hydrogen sulfate. These are some of the radicals. We have very many radicals, but for a starter in chemistry, you should know these ones. They are very key in the study of chemistry. Hydrogen sulfate, HSO4, valence 1. Hydrogen carbonate is HCO3, valence 1. And we have finally ammonium ion. Ammonium ion or radical, which is NH4 plus. NH4 plus, meaning it's NH4 valence 1. That is what you should know. You should just know that it has one N, 4 hydrogens, and it is in valence 1. Let's go to valency 2. Valency 2, we have very simple, we have carbonate. Don't confuse with hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate is HCO3 valence 1. But this is what? This carbonate is CO3 2 minus, meaning it is CO3 valence 2. CO3 valence 2 minus. So it's CO3 valence 2. That's the way that you should know it in your head. We have sulfite. We have sulfite, SO3 2 negative, which is SO3 valence 2. We have sulfate, sulfate, SO4 2 minus, which is SO4 valence 2. That's how we should grasp it in my head. And finally, the last one is PO4, the phosphate. This is phosphate. The next one is phosphate. PO4 3 minus, meaning it's PO4 valence 3. We have 1 phosphorus, we have 4 oxygens, and it is in valence 3. These are the groups of atoms that react as a unit with an exchange. So in our next class, I'm going to teach you how you use these valencies of these elements for metals and metals and radicals. I will guide you on how to write the formula of a compound. I will guide you how to write the formula of a compound from these the valencies of metals, non-metals, and radicals. But before you write the formula, you should understand how a compound is made up. We have a compound made up of 2 elements, and we have compounds made up of more than 2 elements. So in our next class, we don't miss it, because it's very crucial and very helpful to get you going in knowing how to write the formula of the compound. So after knowing the symbol of the element, you know the valence. If you have known the symbol, you must know the valence. After knowing the valence and it's in your head, you can know how to write the chemical formula. After knowing how to write the chemical formula, you can now write the equation and balance it. So thank you. In our next class, we're going to start from the compound, how a compound is made up, so that we can write the formula of a compound. Thank you. Let's meet.